Through the Digitalization for SME program, we saw that SMEs do not want long assessments. What they need is guided, hands-on help to adopt AI. TSEs, tech partners, and cloud providers work alongside SGTech to guide SMEs, identify sector needs, and deliver practical learning experiences. Together, these elements help Singapore build a cohesive and ecosystem-driven SME AI landscape and position the country for long-term AI readiness.
AWS Singapore's mission statement is to help enterprises and SMEs scale locally, regionally, and globally, with Singapore as the global launchpad.
For Alibaba Cloud, it is a strategic platform to empower workers and enterprises to deepen local partnerships to be an AI-powered, globally connected economy.
Singtel's journey has always been very closely intertwined with Singapore's growth and success. We are committed to scaling enterprise-grade AI adoption, especially for our SMEs. As such, partnering on this initiative with SGTech was a natural step for us.
SGTech is one of Singapore's largest tech bodies. Its role as a connector and facilitator helps drive learning across its diverse pool of companies who have the ambition to be AI-ready. The program is robust and structured, with a clear focus on the practical areas of implementation and deployment.
SGTech brings together government and industry. This makes SGTech a natural partner to build an AI-ready ecosystem and drive AI adoptions and upskilling.
Ultimately, our goal is to help build a more intelligent, resilient, and sustainable future for businesses and for Singapore.